Okay. Well, what do you got? What is this
Crunch
whole thing?
Labs Build Block.
Crunch Labs. What is Crunch Labs, Liam?
Mark Wilbur's channel.
Okay.
He's an engineer.
Okay, so what do you have there on the floor?
So we have got a disc
Parts.
3 O-rings, 5 discs,
That's fine.
a screwdriver, 3 steel bolts, 2 tabs, rubber bands, 2 of each size, gold oil.
Okay.
Don't believe I'm doing this. Oh, this is so cool.
How do you know which way to turn it?
Oh, it is tight, lift is loose.
What do you do?
Get the largest rubber band. The harder you press it, the stronger it fits. When 2 parts press together, it's called a press fit.
That's very precise. Good work. Now what do you do?
Gosh.
Okay, now it goes on which side does it attach to?
The bottom side. That's it.
Can you turn it on? Off? On? Off? Do we connect the wires now?
Yep. Red with red.
Red with red.
Black with black.
Looks like you did. Straight on. Good. Okay, now here's this one.
Black with black. Step 11.
Okay, what do we do here?
Get them off. Holy, blow my neck. This has to be lined up perfectly. Okay, it's time to test.
Ooh!
Shoot. Oh!
That was good.
Bro, that was so cool.
It is so cool.
What do you got so far?
Add that thing.
Okay. Awesome.
Okay, now we're gonna add this blue thing on. And I got the nut for you when you need it.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Yeah, this is so fun. Check this out. Wilbur said it should take from 20 minutes to an hour.
Yep. And we're right on pace for that. Okay, now. Pause. Don't let that fall through. Okay, look. Bottom end hooks around. Good work. Pull tight. Top end hooks around. Uh-huh. Okay. It pulls
Back on it.
Yeah, it pulls
And
it back.
this is what keeps it in place.
Okay,
Yeah.
so let's see now here. What's step 17? No, I think you had it.
Yeah, this is right.
Okay. Now what's step 18?
Can't believe I'm doing Quince Labs, bro.
I know you are so excited. You've been asking about this for weeks.
Yeah. Probably like 2 months.
I think you might be right.
Like 10 months, maybe.
All right, what's next?
Supposed to go in there?
Well, look, there's a little bit of a gap.
Oh, yeah, I see why.
Yep.
To your rubber band. Obviously, so many rubber bands. So, we need to unlatch with those.
Taken apart, put back together. So there's very little on here that's super secure. What is this thing? But with it there.
So it's keeping them in place.
Yes. So now you load it up.
2, 3, 4. All of them. Always a good job.
Okay. Now
Let's test it.
it's done.
Let's do it. So down here is the battery.
Okay.
It goes up into here, which makes it spin super duper fast. You push this and then it bangs into there.
It's gonna bang into there, huh? Okay.
I'll show you how it works. So you flip on the switch. And you push this lever and
Whoa. Okay, keep doing it.
ha ha ha! I built disc launcher.
Disc launcher from
Crunch Labs.
Crunch Labs.
Thank you so much for doing this. I was like, bam, 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 bam. Bam.